Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Tiếng Anh. In an effort to diversify my content on this channel, today I will make a cooking video showing how I make lychee in syrup. I hope you guys will enjoy the video and learn useful kitchen vocabulary along the way. Lychee is very popular in Vietnam and other Southeast Asian countries. You can eat it raw after peeling the skin or put it in syrup to preserve it for a longer period of time. In English, you can either call it lychee or lychee. There are 3 different ways to spell it, as you can see on the screen. The ingredients you need to prepare beforehand are of course lychee, rock sugar, and salt. First, cut off the branches. Ooh, look at these two, they sit together just like, maybe it's inappropriate to say in this educational video, so anyways. The next step is to boil the fruits. This will make it easier to peel the skin in later step. Ooh, it's boiling now. Time to put the fruits in it. Okay, I'm not sure how to do it. I don't want to make the boiling water splash onto my face and destroy my glowy skin that I put so much effort in taking care of. Okay, I changed my mind. I'll do this. Better safe than sorry, even though it is taking me forever. One hour later. Then you leave it for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, you can put some ice in a basin of water. Later, the lychee will go here so they can cool down immediately after being boiled. Yay! Now it's ready to be transferred. Alright. Do it nice and slow. Gradually move the lychee from the pot to the basin. You know, there were times that I thought to myself, it's easy to go out and buy these things that I've been putting lots of effort into making. Why am I doing this? But the thing is, nowadays, living in this modern society, people, myself included, usually take things for granted. So when I make something at home, I will appreciate it more, let alone the fact that it is safer because you know what is in it, and it tastes better when it is made at home. Next, you gotta remove the skins and the seeds. Peeling the skins now is so easy, but removing the seeds takes me ages, guys. Earlier, I went on YouTube and watched a video showing how to conduct this challenging step in the quickest way. And I saw this. They use a knife to cut and disconnect the flesh from the seed. Then they take the seed out while keeping the entire shape of the flesh untouched. But for some reason, I took so long to do it following this method. And I also messed up the fruit. Great. Thankfully, towards the end of the process, I figured out the best way to do it. First, you slide the fruit in half. Peel off the skin. Open the flesh and take the seed the hell out of it. Jeez.
1 hour later.
Now it is ready to be put in syrup. Yum yum. $300 of rock sugar and a liter of water. I don't have a scale with me, so now I'm just gonna improvise. And I just put more than half package in the pot because the package weighs 500 grams anyways. To make the sugar dissolve quickly, I'm gonna pour hot water in it. And then some salt to balance the level of sweetness. It also helps preserve the whole thing better. You need to stir the mixture until you can no longer see anything solid in it. If you still see something solid in the syrup, you probably accidentally put something that is not supposed to be there, okay? Then, you need to wait for the syrup to boil so that all the germs can be killed. Time to put the lychee flesh in the pot. Then turn off the stove right off the bat. Let it sit there for at least 2 hours to cool down. Later you can put it in a jar or something and leave it in the fridge for like 5 to 7 hours. You can also leave it there for a night. Of course, you can easily buy ready-made lychee syrup in cans like those in the supermarket. But trust me, this homemade recipe is better because when you taste the one in the supermarket, you can tell it's kind of old and chewy, whereas this homemade one is exceptionally fresh and juicy. Personally, I really like to make lychee tea or put the lychee in syrup in various kinds of dessert like chè khúc bạch. Ta-da! My chè khúc bạch is here. Let's put some lychee in it. Ooh, yum yum. Next time, I'll show you guys how to make the best chè khúc bạch ever. Okay? Wait for the next video, guys. Wait, con heo! What you doing? It's mine! Stop!